Published 11/11 EDT, 26 September 2017. Updated 11/11 EDT, 26 September 2017. A Qatar Airways Boeing 777-300 is seen at Le Bourget Airport on June 18, 2017. On the eve of the International Paris Air Show, Qatar Airways announced Tuesday it has placed an order worth more than $2 billion for 6 Boeing planes, which it said reflected the airline's continued expansion in the United States. A statement on the Gulf carrier's website said it had placed an order for 2 Boeing 74-78 freighters and 4 777-300ers. It added that the order was valued at $2.16 billion, €1.8 billion at list prices. The order, a sign of the airline's continued expansion and contribution to the U.S. economy, adds to the airline's current fleet of nearly 100 Boeing wide-body airplanes and its more than 100 additional Boeing aircraft on order, read the Qatar Airways statement. The announcement was made at Boeing's manufacturing plant in Everett, Washington, in the U.S. The decision to buy the new planes may be seen as strategically as well economically important. Gas-rich Qatar has made it clear it is seeking further investment opportunities in the U.S. In 2015, it said it would invest up to $35 billion in the United States over the following 5 years, after targeting high-profile acquisitions in Europe. Last December, Doha also announced the fund would invest $10 billion in U.S. infrastructure projects. The purchase also comes at a time of high political tensions within the Gulf. Qatar has found itself regionally isolated since June 5 after Saudi Arabia, the United Arab Emirates, Bahrain and Egypt cut all ties, accusing Doha of bankrolling Islamist extremists and being too close to Iran. As part of the sanctions placed on Doha, they have stopped Qatar Airways' use of their country's airspace. Qatar denies the charges. Sorry, we are not currently accepting comments on this article.